morning everyone. So today we're going to discuss to you the minima and maxima in calculus 1. So what is minima and maxima? Minima and maxima are known as the extreme of a function. Maxima will be the highest point on the curve within the given range, while and minima would be the lowest point on the curve. So we have here an activity. So find absolute maximum and minimum values if they exist over the given interval y is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 36 and the quantity of negative 8 and positive 8. So the critical number is y is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 36. So the derivative of this is y prime is equal to 2x minus 5. So 0 only at x is equal to 5 over 2 at negative 8 and positive 8. So f of negative 8 is equal to 68. So it is the absolute maximum because negative 8, so you will substitute the negative 8 in the given y is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 36. Then also f of x f of 5 over 2 is equal to negative 169 over 4. It is the minimum value. So you will substitute the 5 over 2 into the given x raised to the power of 2 minus 5x minus 36. And also the f of 8, which is negative 12. So substitute the positive 8 into the given equation. So number 2 is find the absolute maximum and minimum values if they exist over the given interval. So y is equal to the quantity of x plus 2 times 3 minus 1 on negative 3 and 0. So the critical number is y prime is equal to 3, the quantity of x plus 2 times 2. So the critical number is negative 2. So substitute the negative 3 into the given equation, which is the quantity of x squared, x plus 2 times 3. So our absolute minimum is negative 2 and our absolute maximum is positive 7. So substitute the 0 into um, x plus 2 times 3. So that's all for minimum, maximum and minimum.